is that, Jack? There's a babies in there. Huh? Is there babies in there, Jack? There are? What do you think about them? Huh? Were you happy, boy? Who's your tail, Jack? Watch out. Jack, you want to lay by the babies, Jack? You can stay out here. You can stay in all the big cats are in the bedroom or in the living room. He's stinky, isn't he? Yeah, he's a stinky boy. That's what happens if you don't get neutered. You grow up to be a stinky boy like Jack. I don't know which one that one is. It's either Aurora or Jessie. That's Diavel, or that's Diavel there, laying there, and I think Maleficent's up in the hammock, and I think that, yeah, and that's either, that's Jessie or Aurora, I don't know which one that is, and then the one behind Diavel, that's Elvis there behind Diavel. Diavel's gonna check out Jack now. You gonna check out Jack? What do you think about Jack? Jack's a nice boy. I think I'm gonna make an exchange with Feline Solutions. I think I'm gonna exchange all of my crazy wackadoodle cats and just keep Jack, because Jack's just like, I'll just keep Jack and Rogue. Because those two just want to lay and sleep, don't bother anything. So Jack's doing better, as you can see. He's gotten out twice now. He's starting to come out when I open the crate. He comes out, goes over and gets a drink of water. Hi, what are you doing? Huh? Jack! What's going on, Jack? Yeah, he gets out and gets a drink of water. He did poop, and his poops were more formed. So that's good. I have to just shut the door to the back room because he got back there and crawled underneath my china cabinet, and I had a hell of a time getting him back out because I was trying to coax him out. I didn't want to drag him out, so I was trying to carefully dislodge him. Right, Jack? Uh-oh. Fury coming. Fury coughed up hairballs twice. I don't know what he was. I think they were chewing on one of my plants. Because they don't have any cat grass. I'm growing some more cat grass. It's just not ready for him to eat yet. So I think my spider plants are chewed to nubs. Not too happy about that. Niffler's the culprit. I think Fury gets at it too, but Niffler's always up on the bathroom sink. I'm going to have to find another place for them. They were beautiful at one point, but they've chewed them all down to nubs. I have to look at the garden center as it warms up and get some more. Yeah, we could get some more spider plants, huh? Yeah, Jack. Look at Jack. Look at him. What are you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? The croaky boy. What do you got behind your ear? Yeah, you're just stinky. You need a bath. You need a bath. We'll have to get the dry shampoo out and give you a bath. I gotta put his saline solution in his nose. Yeah, you gotta get your saline solution. Once he gets neutered, once he gets over the respiratory infection and he gets neutered, I'm going to slowly, I don't know how long I'll have him. Hi, Jack. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey, bud. Yeah, I don't know how long he'll be here. I mean, he's going to be here a while because he has to get his gut, his gut has to be recalibrated, right, Jack? He said, yeah, my gut's pretty messed up from those worms. I know. Yeah. Yeah, he says my gut's kind of messed up from the worms. How's your feet look? Oh, look, his pads are down. The swelling's down on the pads, too. He might have had pododermatitis because Doxy will take away that inflammation, so it might have been that. It might have just been from him being out there and being just like walking around all the time. What you doing, bud? Hmm? Hey. Yeah. I know, Jack. Yeah. He's a lovey boy, huh? Are you a lovey boy? No, you can't go in the other room. Okay, I'm gonna get him, put him back, because I don't want him in the other room with the other cats. I don't want a problem, Jack. No, we don't need any more problems. We have enough issues. Yeah, we do. We do, Jack. Yeah. I know. See, Jack, it's like this. I was told that I need to do something constructive and that I need to put more effort into my cats. So I'm putting some effort into you right now. I'm filming you roll around on the floor. How's that? Well, now I am going to have to do some effort because I'm going to have to chase after him. All right, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye for meow.